Hey, welcome to Real Custom Lures. My name is Jeff, and today we're going to be making the classic Junebug curly tail worms, but with a twist. We'll do two versions, plus sticker swap with Jeremy from Hoosier Hook'N, and I'll talk more about him toward the end of this video. So with all that being said, thanks for joining, and let's get going. Alright, so Jeremy will be the VIP. I'll get him a front row seat up here. Now what we're going to do, I got the plastisol ready. It's the 242 bait plastic. I'm going to add 30 drops of the Junebug here. 1, 2, 3, 28, 29, 30. Let's give you a stir here. All right, that's the color going for. Nice Junebug color with the blues and the little hint of red in here. Now we're going to add a tad of the Junebug glitter from a Barlow. So we'll do a heaping tad. And for this one, we're going to be adding the lava crawl here. Again, we'll do the same thing. We'll do a nice little heaping tad. There we go. Let's get these stirred in here so they can do their magic in here. Okay, yeah, that's going to look nice. Let me do a quick temper check. Let's do a quick check. Yeah, I'm kind of looking for there we go. I like the 330 mark for these worms here. Let's glove up, and we're going to get ready to shoot. Drink, come on, there we go. First one in. Down she goes. Hold just a little pressure. Twist this off. Get you topped off here. Next one. Nice slow. There we go. So you topped off. A little more here. Got a little booger hanging down there. All right, let's get this back in here. Get off of there. All right. Let's see what it looks like. Let this cool down for a moment, and I'll be right back. All right, got these cooled down. Let's take a look. All right, come on. Oh, those came out great. Let's lift her up here. I like that lava crawl in here. Gives it that extra little special look to it. Nice. Still has the red in here. All right, real, yeah, I like that. This will be the Junebug LAVA Storm. That's what I'm going to call it. Let's put you over here. Let's get this other one open real quick. I know it'll turn out good. And we'll get you open. And yes. Good looking worms here. And these are the 7.5 curly tail worms here. Nice. All right. Let's do the other variation. All right, so I have this up to temperature. Kind of save time. I already added 30 drops of the Junebug. The same amount of drops we use for the Junebug LAVA Storm. Get this mixed in. Now for this one, same thing. We're going to add a tad of the Junebug here. From Barlow's heaping tad. Now we're going to add the red holographic. It's a small from Barlow's. I'm going to do a heaping tab. Let's get that mixed in. Alright guys, come on. Play nice and mix well together. There we go. Oh, that's looking good. I like that. Oops, dribbled a little bit. Now, a twist I'm going to add to this, I'm going to actually add some Lure Works. It's Fire Red. It's the 40 hex. And I'm going to do a tad, but I'm going to make it a level tad. Here we go. And let's see what this does. Get it mixed in here. Check the temp real fast here. Like I said, I like shooting around the 330 for the worms here. And it's good. Get the glove on. Get the injector ready here. And let's go. All right. First one in. That feels good. Just a little pressure. Let's twist this off. Come on. Got a booger on this one. Get off there. There we go. Top you off. Let's get the other one. Good, that feels good. Top you off. Get back over here. All right. Got these cooled down. Let's take a look here. Roll oh, that was tight. Alrighty. Oh my gosh. Oh yes. I hope you can see this. This turned out awesome. This really brought the red tones out into it. It's like a deep red. Oh, I like this. mean, don't get me wrong, I like the Junebug Lava, but this is going to be the Junebug RED Fire Storm. That's what I'll be calling this one. Oh, that turned out great. Let's open the other one here. And as well, turned out awesome. All right. Don't get my molds mixed up here. All right, let's do a comparison here. Let's do a side by side. Can you tell the? I hope you can see this. I mean, this is just really, they really turned out awesome. You see it in the tails. This has more of the deeper reddish tone. This still holds that Junebug bluish color with a hint of red in it. Yeah, these are great. Let me cut this off right here. I'm gonna get ready to hang these. All right, well, I'm definitely going to be, I like them both. I'm actually leaning toward the Junebug RED Fire Storm, but I'm going to fish both of them, and as I say, I'm going to let the fish be the judge, and I'll update the video in the comments on which one performed better, or if they both perform just equally as well. So let me get these on my skewer here so I get them curing. If you saw my other video, the 3.5 ribbed paddle tails, I kind of showed you how I hang them. So I leave the little sprue on here, and then what I do is I just take my skewer here, slide it through, and this is how I like to hang them. Oh man, let's get this other one together here. I don't know if you can tell the difference or not, but I sure can. I'll try to zoom in so you can have a better look at it. But anyhow, these are the Junebug curly tail worms. Like I say, this one is, we added the lava crawl to it. And this one here, we added the red holographic, plus the fire red glitter to it as well. I want to thank Jeremy for sending the sticker. He's from Indiana, and with the crappie image here, he's a big crappie fisherman up there in Indiana. And I'll drop a link to his YouTube channel. He makes great content on the soft plastic baits, shows different colorants, bait profiles, and some little tips and tricks that he does on his bait making skills. That's what makes the community so great. Other bait makers willing to share their techniques, how they do things, and we learn from each other. So not only a shout out to Jeremy from Hoosier Hook'N, but a big shout out to all you bait makers out there, and to everybody who watches my YouTube channel. I appreciate it very much. And so with that being said, until next time, tight lines, and I'll catch you later.